Bubbleless with Max. Ba 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 la ba la ba 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 ah you where for Kashoo Beao hello Kashoo Besh collabs. Right now, this is Kashoo Besh collabs.
This is not Kashoo Besh collabs, you retard.
Oh, what? How do you spell retard again?
R-E-T-A-R-D-Y? What did I say? What?
Hello, Sofos. I'm here. Why are you here? Obviously, I escaped the trash can. Are you fucking stupid? Flashback. Wait a minute. So, apparently you left the trash can somehow. Somehow, Mirabal broke it. All the losers have just either been staying home or escaping free. Huh, pretty cool. Anyways, last time things... Cool. Peanuts is Patros. Not like... Anyways, you guys voted and P will be moving on to the next round, really surprisingly. What do you mean surprisingly? I want fair and...
No, it's really surprising because he was fucking stupid. I can't do this. Okay, sorry.
Please shut up. Well, anyways, now that you're here, I guess, today we have P. That was the dumbest introduction you've ever done. Well, sorry. Anyways, in the other corner, he's a bird. He's a Mickey. Today we have Mickey Bird.
I'm back again for a third time to destroy another bitch of mine.
Well, Mickey Bird, definitely not a Mickey knockoff.
I'm not a Mickey knockoff. You're a fucking letter. You think that's very original?
You literally just stole a line from my second round opponent.
Second round opponent? Isn't this just what everyone says? How in the hell is someone gonna get fucking beat by a letter? You only beat Patros and everyone else by luck. You only beat Patros and Carrick by luck. You beat Carrick because no one fucking cares about her, and you beat Patros because of biased voters, I bet.
Nah, can you just please shut up?
Why? Are you getting annoyed?
Your voice is so annoying.
I knew it. You're getting annoyed at my voice. Okay.
My ears! You're literally making my ears in so much pain. Well, anyways, we're starting the battle with P. And why do I always go first? Sofos, answer the question. I don't know. I think you just like going second. So, anyways, we're going with P and Shree. Choo choo. One, the poopers go. Such an ugly face. Damn, yeah, you're hideous. Either way, let's go. Gonna be bucks and beat round 3. Cause, well, you're ultimately meaningless. Yeah, you should get out of your nest. Get down to school, learn how to be smart since you won't focus. And ask some friends if you weren't a dumbass and naturally have. You can live with the brain, won't be in pain. Anytime you could get brain cells to ring. Why don't you just be smart no matter what's in store? You're stupid, there's just no cure. You can live with the brain, won't be any pain. Anytime you could get any brain cells to ring. Why don't you just be smart no matter what's in store? He's stupid, there's just no cure. Well, at least he is dumb. This is fun, when you lose it's killed. You better rap the most you can, rap the most you can. You're dumb, this is fun. You better rap the most you can, rap the most you can. Enjoy it while it lasts. I'm gonna go and lose. So is fun. This is dumb, but he almost got killed. Oh, P. Wow, P. That remix was really something. Shut the hell up.
It was something else. Yeah, because all he likes to do is something else by T-songs. Because he's very unoriginal and can't think of good flows, so he takes them by parodying songs.
People like parodies, you idiot.
People like my original flows and diss faces. Not your stupid, look at me. I will watch hentai and succeed.
At least I don't do. Do the talking. Shut up. That's what I have. Piece of shit, bro.
It's gone. At least I don't stutter at that.
At least I don't always go like
At least I don't just. At least I know a fucking letter.
Ladies, chill. We're both male.
What do you mean, ladies? Gosh, Mickey Bird, I want to shove a stick up your butt for an experiment.
Shut up. All right, we're going with Mickey Bird in 3, 2, 2, 1. This is an intense heat.
Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got new beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow, so someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got new beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow, so someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh hey, a little letter, let me show you what I've got. After the shit that you spat, I can help but take a shot. I'll be flying around the ring while you got nothing to see. I'll be spitting verbal fire that is hotter than hot. Got no bars like the little perv that you are. You ain't original, no, you weren't even from the start. You parody the songs that have like what, 2 views? The definition of original is what I'm saying to you. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little drunk cow, so someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little drunk cow, so someone's gotta be sorry now. Gosh, you decided to not stop talking. Better though, before the bird makes you stop walking. No one likes the bars or the disses you say. Is this why you beating Patros was really quite shocking? It's because the disco being a shaggy doesn't mean you're godlike. Made me stopping out right there just like you were a stoplight. You have no friends paying blah blah blah, probably not even a house. So just let yourself get destroyed by the stern house. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans to bar, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow, so someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no phone or room, so let me slow you down. I got bonds, you probably got no house. You just got destroyed by the turbos.
That is so